It is finally Sunday, it is a weekend, and I finally have time to film vlog and take a walk around Moscow, enjoying the just amazing autumn. It's been a long time without the good weather because during the whole weeks it's been raining and cloudy, but finally today it's so comfortable. I don't know, I can smell even a spring, some kind of spring mood, you know what I'm saying? And today we're going to be learning English, practicing speaking with this vlog. You might learn new vocabulary, you can practice your listening. Since I'm English learner, I will practice my speaking skills. Because filming vlogs and talking about your day, about your life, about, your city, I think it's the best way to improve your speaking skills. So let's enjoy and let's talk about life, what's going on, because I want to share lots of things about my week, about the city, about life. So yeah, doesn't it look amazing? I think it does, bro. Take a look at this street. And we finally have a sun. Sun is shining so brightly in Moscow today. It's been alone without sun, honestly. Wow, this street looks super beautiful. And as you can see, there we got a huge crowd of people, like it is a huge line. They're all waiting for some performance in a theater, because this building is a theater, pretty famous in Moscow. And all these people bought tickets, so right now they're planning to visit this performance. So today I went to the center. It's a center, and behind me it is, as you can see, some kind of studio of the main TV channel in Russia, in the whole country. Yeah, the main channel. Right here we got some kind of car with equipment, cameras and things of that nature. Here we got lots of swings. You see, it's a swing, and people, they swinging right now. We got a huge memorial. Take a look. We got a man who's singing songs in Russian language. It's so calm. It's really calm and peaceful. Oh, by the way, take a look at this group of people. They having a tour. They're having a tour across the most famous places, I guess. So you feel what I'm saying? My plan today is to walk around. I've already been here, and actually in the summer I've already filmed a vlog from this place where I'm going to go. It's actually one of the most popular, in fact second or the first, the most popular video on my channel. So this place is kinda, lucky, and just I love the atmosphere here. This week it was pretty busy, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't film vlogs, only one vlog, I guess so, because I didn't have enough time. Studying at university goes crazy, and I've got lots of homework. I have some kind of test what I was supposed to pass in terms of just stay good, you know what I'm saying, to feel comfortable and continue my studying at university. The mass of people is already gone, so it's pretty free sidewalk. At a Halloween, 31st October, it was a Halloween. Maybe you know that in Russia we don't really celebrate Halloween. There is no such a holiday as a Halloween, but we all know this. At university we got some event what was dedicated to Halloween, but I didn't film it. Halloween is not really celebrated here, but anyway, I congratulate you on this holiday, because I know that you all guys, a lot of guys from Latin America, and I know that you love Halloween, and from all over the world people love Halloween, right? Share comments please if you got some costume. What was your costume to Halloween, and did you celebrate it or you did not? Because that's pretty interesting. Here we have another group of people. They having a tour. The main guy, he's sharing information. He's professional speaker. That's just his job. And the whole this street is dedicated to Russian famous writers. They made like lots of literature works, what's famous around the whole world. So yeah, and that's why we got like tours and theaters and houses, what's called after them, after those writers. Now I turned around the corner and I went to this narrow street. It's really narrow for only 2 cars, but buildings, I'm going to be honest, these balconies, you see, this is a balcony. It's just wonderful. Oh, we got the Christmas. Take a look at this decoration. Oh, delivery, please keep going. Take a look at this delivery, these balls. Christmas is coming. BMW car, nice. And we pedestrians, like these people are pedestrians, I'm pedestrian, just walking. We got a map. By the way, take a look at this map of the city, of the local neighborhoods. It actually helped me to be navigated and keep my way. This neighborhood is one of the most expensive. Like, if you want to buy apartment here, all these apartments like cost enormous amount of money, and it's really famous, popular neighborhood. As you can see, maybe behind me, like there were guys. Take hold on. With the camera, they filming. See, camera, they making videos, maybe making movies. To meet some famous blogger here, it's not a big deal actually. Like a lot of bloggers and making stuff and expensive cars, expensive everything. But at the same time, it's peaceful, really beautiful pond, especially in the summer. But right now, I don't know why, but they decided to construct something. I don't understand why. I told you, take a look at this. He's just interviewing girls, and that's crazy. Like, we got cameraman, he's a cameraman, he got a microphone, he's just interviewing girls. Bloggers are literally everywhere, I'm telling you. Well, yeah, currently trees are without leaves, you see, it's just naked trees. But in the summer, honestly, it looks amazing. Right now, just autumn, normal autumn. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at a house for birds. That's cute. And with that inscription, like, don't wake me up till spring. Oh my God, take a look at this swan. Yeah, bro, I don't know, these neighborhoods literally got, oh, take a look. 3 more bloggers. They're filming a tree. Maybe they are some geologists, or they love biology, they love nature, and they want to film a movie about trees, how to grow a tree. I don't know. Just guessing. Yeah, this neighborhood contains everything. Making videos, having a rich life with the best cars, what you can only imagine, and at the same time, locals with the kids just walking and enjoying the weather. So, and at the same time, perfect nature, ponds, trees, everything. That's amazing. That's amazing neighborhood. I'm going to be honest. Bike. This is a bike. And delivery guy taking a ride. Whoa, famous snake. Look at the fire. It's actually artificial fire, so it's not natural, but just decoration for this restaurant. That's crazy. They're also filming and making interviews. That's crazy. They're making interviews. Like, if you wanna give interview to someone else, you need just to be in this street. We got a music. Oh, he got a black, literally black windows. That's so loud. Okay. Yeah, it's about big money, about showing off. You know, when you show off, trying to maybe sometimes pretend that you cooler than you really are. And it looks kind of hilarious sometimes when you try to show off by your money, by your cars. I don't know. It looks weird sometimes. And other bloggers. Let's count how many bloggers we are going to meet today. It was already maybe 4 or 5, if I'm right. We got a junction, really small junction, and we got a cleaners. Can you see orange outfits? Oh, huge car. All right. We got a cleaners with a broom, and he cleans these streets. Yeah, they're cleaners. It's cool. They're actually making a good job. It's so important to keep the streets clean. So nice it looks. Just amazing. Actually, I want to come back to that place, to that pond, and take a seat on a bench and talk about life. Listen to music. Do it now. All right. I took a seat on this bench, and I'm literally surrounded by people because we got a roads like sidewalk right here, and it's not 100% comfortable. But any case, do you know why I like this place? Because I have my favorite book. My favorite book was being written by all schoolboys in Russia. It's called Master and Margarita. It's my favorite book, and the actions, like all the story, what was happening, not all, just part of the story, what was happening, it was about this place. And then I watched a movie what was dedicated to that book, and the actions in that movie, the scenes, the small episodes, like, was also filmed specifically in this place, if I'm not mistaken, on that bench, one of those benches. The characters, like the actors, they were sitting and talking, just acting the book, the story what was told in the book. So yeah, that's why this place is not only about like rich life, the cool guys for me, but it's about literature, kinda. Today is November 2nd, and we got 2 months left in 2025. We got 2 months left. And yeah, this time when if you learn English, like we all learn English here, and I think it's time to kind of lock in, because 2 months, it's actually a lot. I know that some of you guys participated in the challenge speaking on camera 100 days, and this idea is actually great. If you're doing this, please don't stop. We got 2 months left. Let's keep going, let's keep learning English. And I hope this vlog help you to learn maybe new vocabulary, or just practice listening, or just relax and enjoy life in another country. Let's keep going, let's keep learning. Love you all. Thank you. See you.